Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to study Organic Chemistry Class 12 Neet, only way. Start by mapping your syllabus into weekly goals and assign specific chapters to each day. Break study sessions into focused blocks with practice at the end. Use active recall, spaced repetition, and concept maps to connect reactions and mechanisms. Finish each week with a timed practice set and review errors to strengthen weak areas for steady improvement. In this video, I will show how to study Organic Chemistry Class 12 Neet, only way. Learn mechanisms by drawing every step and saying it aloud to reinforce logic and flow. Practice common patterns like nucleophilic substitutions, eliminations, and additions until you recognize them instantly. Teach the mechanism to a friend or imaginary student for clarity. Regularly revisit difficult sequences and compile up. In this video, I will show how to study Organic Chemistry Class 12 Neet, only way. Make practice your priority with mixed problem sets under timed conditions to build speed and accuracy. Create flashcards for reagents, conditions, and common pitfalls, and review them daily. After each test, analyze mistakes and drill those topics until comfortable. Consistent low-stakes testing and focused error correction are the fastest routes to durable exam performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.